Correct FM.
My radio, we correct complete. We get Dr. Moyo Onitilo inside the studio. Na dentist she be.
Correct doctor.
My correct doctor.
Mouth odor basically is bad smell when no good, when you go to perceive when person they follow that person talk.
And they kill all the flies when they around.
I never see that one before, but if you keep perceiving when they around
If they keep person when they around you.
Okay, so many times patients do not really come to the clinic because they are complaining about mouth odor. So they come because they have pain, or they can't sleep, or maybe they were involved in an accident, something else. But most times when you're examining your patients, that's when you're checking them out. You can perceive that they have mouth odor. And then the problem with mouth odor is that the people who have it most times don't know that they do.
Correct doctor.
My